Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to map fields while lead is getting converted. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I have already created tutorials on how to convert a lead. So I'll be adding that tutorial link in this YouTube video description. For today's demo, I'll be just map fields, more custom fields into the lead mapping configurations of the lead object, so that whenever a lead is getting converted, then all of the data for the map field is getting transmitted into the lead to opportunity, right? So we have already learned about that lead conversion. Now, like whenever we are trying to convert a lead, so the lead is getting distributed among three records, like one account record, a contact record. These two are mandatory. So whenever a lead is getting converted, account and contact will be created definitely, and we can optionally create the opportunity record. So for today's use case, I'll be using this field like a preferred product. So I have already created one custom field for a lead like preferred product, and it captures some sort of values, like these are the values for this preferred product, and I'll be map this preferred product field with the field of the opportunity object. Like there is another custom field for the opportunity object uh, that is called product interest, and it contains those values as well. But I'll be just mapping those fields using that lead map configuration. So I'll be clicking on this setup, and from the object manager I'll be search for the lead object, and from the fields and relationships we can find this map lead fields button. So I'll be just clicking on this button, and we can see we can map these are the fields with our respective fields. So there are three fields that I have talked about. Whenever a lead is getting converted, it's again getting create, it will create three records, right? Account, contact, opportunity. That's why there are three types. So we can map specific lead fields, like left hand side is the lead fields, and right hand side the specific object field. Like this is, since I am on account tab, that's why left hand side contains those specific lead fields that we can map with the account object fields, right? And for the contact the same, and the opportunities for same. So whenever a lead is getting converted, some standard fields, like for example this close date, then account name, lead source, stage, so those are taking taking from the lead record only, right? So those are the some fields values are getting transmitted from the lead to those account, contact, and opportunity record. So for today's demo, I'll be just mapping this preferred product. So I have already shown that field of the lead object, like preferred product. So preferred product needs to be mapped with which object field, like opportunity objects, product interest field we need to map with. We can just, from this drop down, we can just simply select to which specific field we can just map. Like, so preferred product is mapped with product interest. So whenever we are trying to convert this lead, so that lead, if the lead field have the value of the preferred product, so that value will be populated into that opportunities product interest field, right? So our mapping is done, and I'll be just clicking on save. And we can just re-verify our mappings. So this is the mapping, and I have just one mapping as of now. I'll be just testing one scenario for the lead record. I'll be just putting one of the value for the preferred product field, like individual health plan. I'll be selecting, I'll be just saving this lead record. Now we can just convert this lead record. I'll be clicking on this lead status path of the converted, and I'll be selecting on this select convert status. So I can just create a new account, create a new opportunity, and create a new contact as well, and I'll be just clicking on this convert button. And our lead conversion is successful. I will be just going to the opportunity record, and we can see that this product interest field automatically populated with the value individual health plan, right? So this is how we can just simply use this lead objects lead map fields functionality while for the lead conversion happens. So I'll be talking about more tutorials on like automating this lead conversion process, and more topics on Salesforce and Open Studio. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.